Mussels.
Big fan of mussels.
Big fan of mussels?
Yeah, Mussels mariniere, like that.
Well, yeah, it's one of the earliest seafood memories I think I have. More mariniere. And we used to pick these off. Do you remember picking these for the restaurant?
I never knew if they actually went to the restaurant. He was just humouring us.
We didn't give us much money, so he's probably humouring us. I think it was like £2.50 a kilo. Although I was down at Trevone Beach the other day on the rocky beach where we used to pick them, and there was a guy with like a massive sack of them. So the lower tide you had, the bigger they got. So I just think they're brilliant. They're so sustainable, and to be honest, the ones we used to pick have massive bids, but these rope-grown ones, they're so clean.
So these from Val?
Yeah, these are Nostell Bay, yeah. But you can tell that they're rope grown because they've got no barnacles on them.
Great with, so similar sort of wine to the oysters, but something light and fresh, crisp, not too much body. Chablis is a really good match.
Is that oaked Chablis?
No oak on that, but you get the kind of mineral, fresh, nice acidity, citrus.
Yeah.
You don't want to overpower the mussel.